Thank kamsan tharing king yendo sega pepa de nyel hingi sangmolol ka sushi ye tharing anzo dong ge thone enje jang ge lop chen chi chadi ye tharing anzo ge lop chen khwan ne re shipaina lingua.com ne mare British Council ne re nge ge dingyon la hinga chola lingua.com la thajik de ngote che chai ta tharing nge ge linga chola thajik sheba ch ngote chi ge inderwa de khar cha de shipaina British Council la yang hinga choge thajik de la pepa ji na susuki nerim susuki neche khwai te pawe ige dung loga imba listening skill yarge tangi thuyo pai nere ngensel yarge tangi thuyo pai nere yang speaking che imba nere khande thone inji jang usam na ya yore ngege tene ngege A2 level ro anso ki nerim thangbo A1 che tamashu di digi gang la A2 pre-intermediate level ra di yi an tharing anso ki tus chine inji jang yi kisilinge chogi di ji shen de yo pai na ngindu modine seruna thingyon la kisilinge chong anso channel tol thema thangbo phejo ro chaiduna kamsang yeming la kizum si yo anso dunda takba phege thone inji jang ki ngendung nga tangi yore lenge suso phege shinge batang phege thone inji jang de yo pai na inji anso channel tol subscribe na na ngendung le gi tijo disa dawa ne pasang yima takba yore chudu chudu shi de chege tolang anso channel tol ligi yore laso ta ko chugi lasalingi ngi gelenge chu chedola dong de dele shagi ta tharingi dong de dong rang thone mare ro yigi tangyo chi ga ne re writing chi letter writing chi ga ne chade yor de ro an ngi gi tha manzo teshe ge ko chu gi inda okay hi Lucia le de le yigi stang do ra mi chi ge ani hi Lucius how are you chirang teo im best it was so nice to meet you last week in Sydney at the sales meeting Charang deo impes charang nge last week le dwara okay debe dunda din nanglo la Sydney le Australia ki kesa jire ro tela charang nganju ki sales meeting chong gi ga ne chong de chogyo chyo ro de thuwa de la pe ka chung sos it was so nice to meet you le de charang thuwa pe ka chung sos how was the rest of your trip an chirang phagela Sydney la doe ki gyurim chior ra thuje tangyo chior di chongde meeting di yugne shemba changma khande chungsos how was the rest of your trip tini did you see any kangaroo la ta thanda Australia ki simje kira shesho dojre dwara kangaroo mangbuji kangaroo kiranta thongsues I hope you got home to Mexico City okay an chirang nang la pha me ki nang Mexico City la dwara chirang Mexico City la teu chini joryo gi rewa chigi yes di paragraph thangbo de chade dwara ni goni chilo warjina how are you it was so nice to meet you last week in Sydney at the sales meeting how was the rest of your trip did you see any kangaroos I hope you got home to Mexico City okay. Laso ta de ning anjoge paragraph ni ba dinang khari thu digita gi indarwa khalato anyway okay ta shamba roj la warjina lecture anyways I have the document about the new Berlin offices anyways ra ta shamba roj la warjina ngala khari Berlin offices Berlin legung yo gi document ikcha thangma ngala use I have la dwara and we are going to open in 3 months anjo khari chai anjo tawasum gi nanglo la phagi office thangma go chais I moved here from London just last week nga dela Berlin la last week debe dunda di nanglo la chu Berlin la let's since move cheta sina dita chu dega let's since they are very nice offices and location is perfect office dige legung sangma pe abdus location dia perfect reshala di saja dia takta chidus there are lots of restaurants cafes and banks in the area and digi saja chiorwa Berlin office yosagi saja di damlola kharidulana restaurant saga yak point pe mangbudus cafes sikja kha yak point pe mangbudus ani shemba kharidulana bank pe mangbudus mugang pe mangbudus there's also public transport ani ngajugi mi thangma gi dimdu chesa yorwa penchana bus la sokpa chijolango la sokpa taxi la sokpa do yorwa tige taxi the public transport chai mari roi ta khalore ti la yo me la do khagare roi ne ya ta yongda chawaina bus ta train do yorwa tige yang pe mangbudus we are next to an thadi Yuben Aban Karila Warajinea. That is the name of the metro here. Metro we are nganzo kwale yo lawarna Yuben yana Aban legi metro yorwa digitam na yoris. Maybe you can come and see them one day. Chikchina peje kirang yima chik tulene dige tawarajine and dig the yoris. I would love to show you Berlin, especially in the winter. Ye gichirang la Berlin jasa country wajitenge thudus mixegi, especially lana mixegi khadu gunga latenge thudus. You said you have never seen snow. You will see lots here. Chirangi, you said let the chirangi loves us. You have never seen snow. Kang kawa tongyung melan loves us. Chirangi kare dela pe mangbu tairagres. Berlin na pe mangbu tongre le churwa. Tingan jugi. Paragraph thangbo di chadiyorda. Paragraph niba di chadiyore. Okay. Let me just clean this up real quick. And I'm just going to read the second paragraph one more time. Okay. Anyway, I have the documents about the new Berlin offices. We are going to open in 3 months. I moved here from London just last week. They are very nice offices and the location is perfect. There are lots of restaurants and cafes and banks in the area. There's also public transport. We are next to an urban. That is the name of the metro here. Maybe you can come and see them one day. I would love to show you Berlin, especially in the winter. You said you have never seen snow. You will see lots here. Dela chirangi snow pe mangbutairagris. Okay, tatini karchido. Here's a photo of you and me at the restaurant in Sydney. Nye chirang la par chitangi yus par tikharre na Sydney la ngarang ge par injo chirang la tangi yus. That was a very fun night. Odi konda chemong anjo zomyo di peki uchungsus. Remember the singing Englishman inji mi shetang dinge di kirangi tengidwes. Crazy. Pet kora ta kalore. Nyomoto do hale jare pe abu do hale do. Please send me any other photos you have of that night. Chirang la kisi anjo ki par shemba do ke yo paina Sydney la odi konda ki par shemba do yo paina kuchinga la tangro chis. Please send me any other photos of that night. Odi chemodi ki photo shemba yo na tangro chis. Good memories. Tende yakures. Please give me your email address and I will send you the documents. An chirangi email ki kajang la tangro chidangi ki document yikja sangma kirang la tangos. Bye for now, Michael. Ra an thanda chedela chanan chakpo chinishiwa. Bye tangi dusodela na Michael redwara. Duscha ngi di gon chiklo origina. Tama di gon chiklo indera. Okay, let's read. Here's a photo of you and me at the restaurant in Sydney. That was a very fun night. Remember the singing Englishman? Crazy. Send me any other photos you have of that night. Good memories. Please give me your email address and I will send you the documents. Bye for now, Michael. Lasa dus chininganzo tung lane hangmindu taringi yigi loy de tawadochi. Laso linge taringi nyendon dirang sami taringi nyendon linge chola pen thokpo thokto do chungyo nyerawa chigi ye ma pe nyela subscribe nang yo ina injik subscribe nang ne perona anjamai nyendon shna linge sama kyar tije girawa chigi ye tiba de linge sangma chakpo chine shuru nang ngancing nyemdo inji jan shuru nang.